What did kids use to help their families a long, long time ago? Can you guess which old tool made the loudest sound? Let's find out together. A long time ago, there were no computers, no phones, and no electric machines. Kids used simple tools every day to help their families. Look, here's a wooden bucket. Kids used this to carry water from the well all the way to the house. Next, see this broom made from twigs? Kids used it to sweep the floor and keep their homes clean and tidy. Here's a washboard. Kids helped wash clothes by rubbing them up and down on this board in soapy water. It took a lot of work. Now let's look at this big wooden spoon. Kids used it to stir soup in a big pot over the fire. Do you see this metal triangle? Kids would hit it with a stick to call everyone for dinner. It made a loud, ringing sound that could be heard far away. Each tool helped kids and their families do important jobs together every day. Did you guess which tool made the loudest sound? It's the triangle. When you hit it, it rings so everyone can hear and come inside. Old tools may look simple, but they helped kids do big things long ago. AutoShorts made this fun video. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.